Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Hema's Tips. Today I'm going to show you the properties and the usage of cutting boards in the kitchen. A chopping board or a cutting board is a very essential kitchen item, and you will get different kinds of chopping boards. You can use this for slicing, cutting and to prepare various other meals. Now these chopping boards, you get them in plastic, you get it in glass, in stone as well as wooden. So let's see all the different kinds of chopping boards. So you can see I have a glass cutting board here. The marble and the glass cutting boards are very fine in appearance, but they can be very disastrous for a knife because it can make the edges very dull, and they're not very good for using for cutting. And now you can use these boards for serving on a table. It looks very pretty, very nice and very delicate. So if you want to chop something and place it here and you can serve it, so you can use these. But the ideal cutting boards for regular kitchen use would be a plastic chopping board like this, or a nice wooden one. So essentially a wooden cutting board is made heavy because it prevents from slipping while you're chopping something, and you can also serve it on the table. You can cut cheese or some fruit or anything and serve it. It looks very good appearance wise. And the plastic cutting board is very essential because I think it's the best because it's light, you get it in different colors and it's unbreakable most of the time, and you can also use it in a dishwasher. So these are the benefits of having a plastic cutting board. So a plastic cutting board, sometimes while you're chopping or cutting, it can slip off, so you can see it's a little slippery. And if you want to prevent that from slipping, what you can do is you can place a cloth below the cutting board like this. Keep it there. So now you can see it's not that easy to slip. It stays put and it's very nice and convenient to chop. So I hope today's tip is useful to you, and do join me again in another episode of Hema's Tips.